better.
It's gonna be fun.
And you guys, at my grandma's house, I downloaded Minecraft on her computer, so I might be able to do a vlog on there, a video on there. I don't know if she'll let me, but it'll be awesome though.
I got my own doggy.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Come on, puppy.
Could I play now?
No.
Why?
Hey, look at my dog, dude.
Can I play? Clayton, could I play?
Look at this.
Clayton, could I play?
You stay there. Bro, is that like a circle? Yeah.
Could I play?
How?
Guys, they're not even letting me play. Could I play?
No.
Could I play?
You trade it in with Clayton.
Okay.
Oh, your dog's in it. Dude, come here, come here.
Oh my god, guys. Clayton's dog was in a minecart.
Wow. Come on. Dude.
All right, guys. I'm going to go get my snowsuit on. I'm going to go get my snowsuit on.
Are you going out?
Yeah. Hey, Mom. Could I get my snowsuit on?
No.
Why?
What for?
For outside.
No.
Why?
Because
Why not?
you'll get frostbite, honey. You cannot get your swimsuit on and go outside.
No, snowsuit.
Oh. Yeah. Your boots are under the house, though. You'll have to wait for me to get out of the shower.
Okay.
Hey, will you close my door, please?
Yeah. Yeah? What?
Do you need your iron?
No, not really.
Okay.
Quit getting stuff of mine.
Huh?
Quit getting stuff.
Getting stuff?
Oh my god, it's like a blizzard outside. Oh my god.
It is a blizzard, Christian.
I don't know. Gosh, guys, look at the snow. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go outside. If you guys want to join me outside, you can if you want to. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go in my room. Yeah. But I'm just gonna set the phone the camera down, and I'm gonna get my snowsuit on. Might be a little cold, but I'll deal with it. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. You know where I put my snowsuit? Do you know? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so just about to go get it. So I'm gonna set the phone down. Yo. It's like a... Okay. I just need to put it like... I might put it like that. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put my snowsuit on. And let me find out where I'm gonna put it. Might need to put it right there. Is that okay? I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see me, but whew. Might need some hot chocolate after this, guys. So this is a huge snow fit outfit. All right, guys, I got my snowsuit on. I'm gonna go get my jacket and a beanie on. It's really dark in here. I don't know how it is. Okay. Just coming into my laundry room. I think I'm gonna get a beanie on first. No, I'm gonna get it. Alexa, turn the lights on.
What are you going out to get, Christian?
Nothing. I just. Yeah, I'm going out there.
You're actually playing out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna play. Here, do one of you guys mind holding this?
Yeah,
I'll do it.
here.
Aw, dude.
Oh no.
I forgot.
Sorry.
S. Put an S on the end.
Easy just Minecraft, boy. Boy. Let me one check. One second.
So if you lived here, that would be amazing.
Sorry. Ooh. I don't even know. Christian, can I show my puppies in Minecraft? Oh, I already did.
Yeah.
Sorry. No. Yeah.
So now,
Hold on, hold it real quick. Can you
so
hold
what is this
you hold it,
video?
bud?
What is this video gonna be called? Do you know?
Ow! Oh, I just put my. How about
Christian goes in the snow.
Ow! I hurt. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm just gonna unzip. Might be a little hot in here, but hopefully you guys can see me. Yeah, now you can. So I just got my snowsuit on. I'm gonna go get my beanie on. So just gonna put my hoodie on. My mom has to get my boots, but I'm fine with it. I need to. Actually, I'm gonna Golden State. State all day. Golden State. Sorry guys, my mom might need to get the. What are you guys doing?
He's working. He's at my house.
That's not your house.
No, I'm building it. I'm building it. Yeah. No, he says.
I made the mods. I made the bunny.
Yeah. He says that I could live here. Because since he's not living in his other house, well, he's living at their house.
Is that my house or?
Your house is over here. Like,
Yeah, it's right here.
yeah. Whoa, who did this?
I did that.
I hate it.
The spruce wood, I did the diamond.
So yeah, we're just about to go. Oh, my low battery. I'm out. I might need to go charge this. I'm gonna go charge the
So,
camera.
is the video over?
No. So I'm just, my mom's in there. Hold on, guys. Mom? Are you almost done? Okay. All right. Hold on. Then. All right. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. Make sure you get this video to 10,000 likes, and get up every time when I make a video. I'm gonna get up. You guys have to get up to 30,000 likes. Get up to 10,000 likes on this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section below. Alright, see you guys.